success. Quotes. Unlock your best life today. Are you truly ready to step into your best life? Not just wishing for it, but fully committing to waking up every day with passion, purpose, and the drive to succeed. If you are, then it's time to reprogram your mindset with 9 powerful truths that will transform the way you think, act, and achieve. These affirmations will train your mind, strengthen your soul, and keep you laser focused on your purpose. And don't forget, I've left an important question for you in the comments. Your thoughts matter just as much as mine, so check it out. Drop your answer and let's grow together. 1. I am the best. This isn't arrogance, it's self-belief. The unwavering confidence that you are made for something bigger, greater, and more powerful. Every morning, tell yourself, I am the best. Because if you don't believe it, why should anyone else? This isn't about comparing yourself to others. It's about recognizing the greatness within you. The world will try to convince you otherwise. Doubt will whisper. Fear will creep in. But when you truly know your worth, you stop questioning your abilities. You walk into every room with confidence, with purpose, with power. Being the best isn't about being better than others. It's about being the best version of you. When you believe in yourself, your actions will reflect it. And when your actions align with belief, success becomes inevitable. 2. I can do anything. Too many people live in the shadow of I can't. But let me tell you something, you can. You can do anything you set your mind to. The only real limitations, the ones you place on yourself every single day. Remind yourself, I can do anything. When you say it, you open doors to new possibilities. Don't wait for someone to give you permission to chase your dreams. Don't wait for the right moment, the right support, or the perfect plan. Create your own opportunities. Your potential is limitless, but it starts with belief. Every successful person has faced doubt, fear, and uncertainty, but they push forward anyway. Every time you tell yourself, I can, you move one step closer to success. One decision, one action, one breakthrough at a time. So don't just dream, do. The key is consistency. Step by step, inch by inch, you move forward. Eliminate I can't from your vocabulary. Replace it with relentless action. Say it enough times and you'll believe it. Believe it and you will achieve it. 3. My future is bright. You know what's crazy? Too many people live in darkness, even when their future is full of light. But they're so focused on the clouds that they never see the sunrise. Every morning, remind yourself, my future is bright. It doesn't matter what happened yesterday. It doesn't matter if today feels hard. Your future is where your focus should be, because what's ahead of you is greater than what's behind you. Every setback you face today, it's just setting the stage for your comeback. Every challenge you endure, it's shaping you into the person you're meant to be. The struggles you experience now, they won't last forever. The obstacles in your way, they're just temporary detours. But you must believe that the best is yet to come. The sun always rises, no matter how long the night lasts. So start your day with confidence. Declare that your future is full of light, opportunity, and success. And most importantly, never stop moving toward it. Final thoughts. Own your mindset, own your life. The way you speak to yourself matters. The way you see yourself determines the life you build. These 3 affirmations, I am the best, I can do anything, and my future is bright, aren't just words. They are the foundation of success. So say them, Live them. Believe them. Success, quotes, turn failures into lessons and step into your greatness. Success isn't about never failing, it's about learning, growing, and pushing forward no matter what. Every challenge you face, every setback you experience is simply another lesson shaping you into the person you are meant to be. If you're ready to step into your highest potential, here are 5 powerful truths you need to tell yourself every single day. Let these words fuel your ambition, strengthen your mindset, and keep you focused on your purpose. Your failures are lessons, not defeats. Every failure you face is not the end of the road. It's a stepping stone towards success. When you feel like giving up, remind yourself, your future is still waiting, full of opportunity, potential, and greatness. You are not defined by where you are right now. You are defined by where you're going, and your path is filled with growth, achievement, and light. So trust the process. Keep pushing forward. Stay committed to your vision. Every storm eventually passes, and beyond the clouds, the sun is always shining. Stay patient, stay hopeful, and know that better days are ahead. I am getting better each day. Success doesn't happen overnight. It happens through progress, through daily growth. You won't wake up tomorrow perfect, but you can wake up better than you were yesterday. Say it. I am getting better each day. Every challenge you overcome, every mistake you learn from is making you stronger, wiser, and more capable. Growth isn't always obvious, but it's always happening. Once you embrace this mindset, you stop being hard on yourself for not being perfect. Instead, you celebrate your small victories and keep moving forward. You may not be where you want to be yet, but you are on your way. Every small step forward is progress. Embrace the journey. Learn from every lesson. Overcome every obstacle. You are becoming the person you were meant to be. I will work hard. Success is not given. It's earned. It's built through effort, discipline, and persistence. Tell yourself every morning, I will work hard. While others are making excuses, you'll be putting in the work, improving yourself, and moving closer to your goals. Success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who grind, hustle, and stay relentless. There will be days when you feel like quitting. Push through anyway. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. So don't just dream about success, go earn it. The grind will be tough, but the reward will be worth it. Stay consistent. Put in the hours. True success is built through perseverance, not shortcuts. No excuses. Excuses do nothing but hold you back. They are lies we tell ourselves to justify why we're not where we should be. No more excuses. You're not too tired. You're not too busy. You're not too old. You're not too young. Stop focusing on what you can't do and start focusing on what you can. Every excuse you make robs you of your potential. Life doesn't wait for you to be ready. It keeps moving, and so should you. Successful people don't blame others or complain about their circumstances. They take ownership, find solutions, and get things done. Hold yourself accountable. Refuse to let excuses define your future. Every excuse is a missed opportunity. Every time you justify inaction, you delay your success. Excuses steal your greatness. Don't let them. I was born to do great things. You feel that pull inside you, that voice telling you there's more to life. That's greatness calling your name. You weren't born to be average. You weren't created just to get by. You have a purpose, a mission, a calling. Every single day is an opportunity to step into it. Stop doubting yourself. Stop holding yourself back. You have the power to make an impact, to achieve greatness, to leave your mark on this world. You weren't made for mediocrity. You were born for greatness. Final thoughts. Step into your greatness. These are the truths you must remind yourself of every single day. Your failures are lessons, not defeats. You are getting better each day. Hard work leads to success. Excuses have no place in your life. You were born to do great things. You deserve a life filled with success, purpose, and fulfillment. Success. Quotes. You were born for greatness. Own it. Every single day, remind yourself of the truth. Greatness is in your DNA. You weren't meant to live an average life. You were born for something bigger. Never settle for less when greatness runs through your blood. You were designed with a unique talent, a gift the world needs. Don't hide it. Don't downplay it. The world needs what you have to offer. You owe it to yourself and the world to shine. Whenever doubt creeps in, remind yourself, you were chosen for something extraordinary. Every challenge, every setback, every struggle is not meant to break you. It's preparing you for your moment of greatness. It's not about being better than anyone else. It's about being the best version of yourself. So walk boldly in your purpose. Embrace your journey. Keep moving forward. Every great achievement starts with a simple decision to try. It's time to claim your greatness and make it real. People's opinions don't define you. Do you know what happens when you start living life on your own terms? People start talking, they'll criticize, they'll doubt you, they'll try to bring you down, but guess what? Their opinions don't define you. Let them talk, let them doubt. Their words can't stop your grind. Their negativity can't slow you down. You are focused, locked in, and unstoppable. Don't give people the power to shake your confidence. You have too much to accomplish to waste time worrying about what others think. Opinions are just that, opinions. They aren't facts. Most people project their own insecurities onto others. The only thing that truly matters, how you see yourself. If you believe in your mission, if you're committed to your journey, then what anyone else says is irrelevant. Stay focused on your path. Don't let outside noise disrupt your inner peace. You weren't born to fit into anyone else's box. Keep moving forward. Stay grounded in your purpose and let your results speak for themselves. Life is precious. Make every moment count. At the end of the day, no matter how hard you work or how many goals you set, remember this: life is precious. Don't waste a single moment. Don't let negativity steal your joy. Don't take the people you love for granted. Every day you wake up is a gift. Treat it like one. Wake up with gratitude. Live with passion. And always, always remember, life is too short to be anything but your best. We get so caught up in the hustle, chasing our dreams, that we sometimes forget the bigger picture. This life, these moments, they are fleeting. So while you're working hard for your goals, don't forget to appreciate the beauty around you. Take time to laugh, to love, to truly live. Time is something you can never get back. Don't waste it on things that don't bring you joy or serve your purpose. Make every day count. Surround yourself with positivity. Never lose sight of what really matters. Life is precious, and it's up to you to make the most of it. Daily affirmations for success. These are the powerful truths you should tell yourself every single day, because you deserve a life filled with success, purpose, and potential. And remember, I left a question in the comments section. I want to hear from you. Your thoughts and insights matter. Stay focused. Stay motivated. Keep pushing forward because you are the best. How to apply these lessons to your life? Understanding these truths is one thing, but applying them to your daily life is where the real transformation happens. Here's how you can start implementing these lessons today. Embrace your greatness daily. Start each morning by affirming your self-worth. Write down your strengths. Remind yourself of past victories and step into every situation with confidence. Stop seeking approval. Recognize that not everyone will support your journey. Focus on your own growth rather than trying to please others. The people meant to be in your life will respect your path. Live with purpose. Instead of letting life happen to you, take control. Define your goals. Stay focused and pursue them relentlessly. Make every moment count. Surround yourself with positivity. The energy around you influences your mindset. Limit time with negative people and instead seek those who uplift, challenge, and inspire you. Stay resilient. Through setbacks, life will test you. When challenges arise, remind yourself that they are shaping you into the person you're meant to become. Keep moving forward, no matter how tough the journey gets. Final thought: choose growth. Every day your success is a direct reflection of your mindset, your habits, and your ability to stay committed to your path. If you live by these truths and apply them consistently, there's nothing that can stop you from reaching your full potential. My thoughts on this message. I completely agree with the idea that we are all born with greatness inside of us. But the key is recognizing it and stepping into it. Too often, people settle for less than they deserve because they let doubt, fear, or the opinions of others hold them back. The truth is, our potential is limitless when we stop waiting for permission and start taking action. Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from mindset, effort, and consistency. The people who achieve extraordinary things aren't necessarily the most talented. They're simply the ones who refuse to quit. Another powerful takeaway is that life is precious. It's easy to get caught up in chasing goals and forget to appreciate the present moment. Finding a balance between ambition and gratitude is essential. Work hard, yes, but also take time to laugh, to love, and to enjoy the journey. At the end of the day, success starts within. If you believe in yourself, work hard, and refuse to make excuses, there's nothing that can stop you from living the life you were meant for. I want to hear from you. Which of these success truths resonates with you the most? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Do you believe in your greatness? Are you learning to block out negativity? How do you remind yourself to make every moment count? And if you've made it this far, drop a in the comments. That means you're part of the 1% who are committed to growth every single day.